Okay, so I want to share with you with unboxing Bosch Ergomix style 1000 watt mixer. What is inside? We have here scheduled that we have powerful engine, various add-ons, regulator of speed, cover for splash finish, ergonomics, long cable, easy to mount add-ons, and information that you can wash this mixer in the dishwasher. So let's open it. What is inside? Let's cut it with knife. Hard to open with hand. Okay. Progressing. What is inside? We have some plastic container with cover, add-ons for mixing, add-on for splash. Container itself is very nice plastic, nice quality plastic. We have also rubber on the bottom section, rubber to not moving everything. Also we have very rich instruction in most popular languages. Infographic for everything, for every add-on. How to mount it, how to secure it. Okay, let's reach the add-ons. So we have blades, add-ons for mixing, cap on the container, and for second one underneath. Let's reach that. Yeah, we have main device. Very nice finish with rubber and metal. With the regulation of the speed, with turbo mode. Looks very quality. Let's try this with the add-ons included. How we can attach this. Let's try with this one. And as you see, the attached is very smooth. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, give info. Maybe you want to have some more information, I can give you that. I'm using this since about 2 years, so I can give you more information about this. Thank you very much.